Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the chat wallpaper in the Signal application. So in order to do that, first of all, tap open the Signal app on your smartphone and make sure that you're logged in. You'll end up in your chat section. Now, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top left corner and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, select Appearance. Under Appearance, tap on Chat Color and Wallpaper. Now, click on Set Wallpaper. Here you can go ahead and choose from solid color available on the screen. After you select one, you will be able to see how it will be previewed on your chat screen. To set the solid color chat wallpaper, click on Set at the bottom right. If you want to set up your own photo from your device's camera roll as a background, click on Set Wallpaper once again and click on Choose from Photos. You may need to allow Signal to access your photos on your device. Now click on one of the pictures you'd like to use as your wallpaper for the chats and then click on Set. You also can adjust your picture by pinching in or out. If you want to set this wallpaper for all chats, then you can tap on Set at the bottom right. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your wallpaper on your Signal chats. Now all of your conversations will have the same wallpaper that you just set to. If you want to change the wallpaper for a single chat, then get back to the chat screen and tap Open Any Chat. Now go to the top and tap on the name of the person you are chatting with, and then from the menu, click on Chat Color and Wallpaper. From here, you can go to Set Wallpaper and choose from the presets or choose your own photo you want to use as the single chat wallpaper for this specific chat. Once you select one of these options, click on Set and you will be able to change the wallpaper for the specific chat. So that's how you can customize your Signal chat background just the way you like it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials like this. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.